All right, so we're back. We are back. It is Friday. We are wrapping it up, and we are tired. Oh, look at that. I just went in. Your mirror was behind me the whole 9 yards. So look, check it out. Homeowner and us. That's right. She loves it. Here we go. Let me get you flipped around. Oh, yeah. Super sick. Look how them shelves turned out. This lady has got all kinds of little goodie decorations coming in here. Tall vases, little pretty colored rocks to stick in there. All kinds of stuff that's really going to make this pop. This shower is just really super cool. Great use of these boxes over here. House those pretty doors. That floor just made it. Popped it all out. Definitely one of our favorites. Good golly. So, nice trim work, by the way, Tom. Tell me, you're happy.
Yes,
Don't lie. That's right. She's happy.
Happy?
Another happy one. Another happy customer. So, as usual, you all, thanks for tuning in. This one was a blast. And just so you know, starting Monday, we got a big old 9-foot custom guy coming out. We are going to be putting LED lights in the niches inside the shower. Really cool trick right there. Really not even sure how many people have done that yet. So this next one is about as custom as they come, and we cannot wait. So we're going to, as usual, we're going to show you how we get to that point and get it all tricked out. We'll go over that starting Monday. So we're really eager to see you tune in for that one. Look there. One last look. Just turned out beautiful. You all have a great weekend. It's Derby. Do some betting. Get out the house and quit watching your phone all the time. We'll see you back real soon for the next one.